Hello everyone, welcome back to Meme Coin Maniac channel. Today we are exploring SPX 6900, the meme coin that is challenging the S&P 500. Is it just a meme with a massive social media buzz and major influence backing, or is it a coin that you can ignore? With all the hype, is it something more than just a pump and dump? Let's find out. So, what is S&P 6900? It's a meme coin that is a parody version of S&P 500, which is aiming to surpass the market cap of S&P 500, which is the entire top 500 Standard and Poor American based companies, and has returned over 10% CAGR over the last century or so. This meme coin has cross-chain compatibility, which broadens its reach, and it relies heavily on the community driven narrative that we are going to flip the stock market rather than any traditional fundamentals or utility. It reflects the perfect meme coin trend and the culture and is heavily driven by influencers backing it. Moving forth, we're going to see that it has a very huge community hype, especially a crypto influencer, Murad. He's posting and is very bullish on this coin with phrases like S&P 6900 is the answer. And it has a very active engagement across multiple social media platforms, creating a feedback of hopium. And it has very amplified social media presence and has community driven narratives with the social capital trying to convert that into the valuation of this meme coin. When the entire crypto market has been amidst the recent drawdowns, especially even with the recent weeks where we are seeing 10% declines in most of the meme coin market space, we are seeing the only meme coin that is up and trending is this, and it has a circulating supply of 93% of the total supply. It has crossed $1 billion market cap again and is sustaining at this pace with almost 25% uptick in the last week or so. With the recent data points, it has a good trading volume as well across many major social crypto exchanges. So it has a very strong presence in the market as of now. But to briefly put it, it is heavily promoted by Muran Mahmudov, which is a prominent crypto influencer. His Twitter handle must stop Muran. It Most of the tweets about this meme coin go viral in the range of around 50K views and close to 1000 likes, which fuels this narrative again and again that with the long term belief it is a timeless asset, we are going to flip the stock market. It basically, the concern lies with official ownership, which remains undisclosed, likely an anonymous developer team, but with the leading promoter being Murad, it's framing as a visionary play. There have been transparency concerns raised by multiple folks regarding the potential hidden holdings, and despite these controversies, the community rallies behind this influencer, embracing the speculative culture of the coin. And basically, they build on a narrative with Murad saying, "Stop trading and start believing." It builds on the narrative, but it doesn't replace utility. And unfortunately, unlike the other meme coins in the space, it does not necessarily are pushing towards any real time engagement and real world engagement. Most of the capital that they are building in the digital space is remaining within that digital space and is obviously getting converted into the value of the coin. They are translating their social capital into the valuation. But as far as the research that I did and the background check that I did, they aren't fundamentally building anything apart and are not building towards an ecosystem of sorts. These are my views. Do your own research and let me know your predictions on this coin. And it poses a key man risk, according to me. It's heavily reliant on a prominent crypto investor pushing the coin fork. It does have multiple other crypto influencers pushing it, but as far as I can think of, it's not necessarily a clean risk to reward ratio. So that's it from my end. Do your own research and stay sharp and don't get swept in if you are unsure of the risks and rewards. Thank you for joining this video. Smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and drop your thoughts on the price point predictions below. See you next time. Thank you.